Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of interior design as we delve into the realm of study room tables, focusing on the stylish and functional offerings from Ikea. In this video, we guide you through a diverse range of IKEA study table designs tailored for your study living room. Discover innovative designs that seamlessly blend aesthetics with practicality, enhancing the ambience of your study space. From sleek and modern to cozy and compact, we showcase versatile options to study various preferences and room sizes. Our exploration not only highlights the aesthetic appeal of IKEA study tables, but also emphasizes their functionality, making them ideal for both work and relaxation. Join us as we provide insights, tips, and inspiration for creating a study room that reflects your personal style while optimizing the utility of your living space. Whether you're a student or a professional, this video is your key to transforming your study area into a harmonious and productive haven. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe and like Interior Design channel.